everybody. Today I'm going to be making several Positivity Passport pages, and I'm excited for you guys to see them come to life. This one I forgot to film a video for, so for this one I just took the photo of my friend and I, a couple washi, and then just stuck with blue and green. This one was my husband, and he had a Father's Day shirt tie-dyed specifically for him from the kids, so it was pretty awesome. You will see this one come to life, and this one come to life, and then this one come to life as well. And my daughter will be making a guest appearance in the making of these pages, which should be hilarious. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Sabrina. I'm on a few design teams, and I have a big picture class, and all that information is in the description box below. All right, I'm gonna get started and so you guys can see how these came to life. Thanks so much for watching. So for this little spread right here, I'm kind of covering the weekend of Father's Day, and I made my husband a video with pictures all throughout the years. And so I wound up having a little collage that I could make for his phone and a wallpaper. But as you can see, that main photo up at the top, it cut off my son's head. So I'm gonna have to reprint that at some point, but I will reprint it. I added in 3 layers of washi tape, and now I am going to stamp celebrating life, because I thought that that was the perfect sentiment for my page, because that's what I did. The video wound up being 5 minutes, I think, and it was really it made everybody emotional. It was such a cute movie. And I'm gonna stamp a little picture frame. This made me smile, and I'm also gonna stamp the picture frame on the right hand side. I think I'm gonna do it 3 times, and then I'm also going to do a list in a little bit. I'm stamping This Is Worth Remembering, and I made sure to press really hard, and then I will cut that one out and adhere it down to the right hand side, and then I can do some bullet journaling. I'm also going to add up at the top right, This Is Amazing, and the stamp for the date, and then I will journal off camera. Gonna move on to the next one, where I use the summer scenes, and I'm gonna document some time to myself. My kids were able to go to summer camp, and so I was able to spend a lot of time outside during that week to myself. Started off that week with a bike ride. The next day I went on a 2-mile walk, and so this spread is all about nature. I have this really cool green washi tape, but it's really thick and I don't need it thick, so I cut it in half. Definitely did not cut it in half straight, but that's okay. I'm just gonna cover it up with some of the brown washi, so that way you can't tell that there's jagged edges. Gonna stamp selfie, because duh, that's a selfie, right? So it's the perfect sentiment to put right there. Also gonna add in one with nature, because that's what I was on that same trail that I walked. My husband and I walked a long time ago and saw a coyote, so definitely a chance to see wildlife if you're out there. I am going to fussy cut the on the trail stamp and put it right down in the bottom left corner of that photo. And then I am going to stamp out one with nature, and I believe I'm putting that one above my selfie. Yep, above my selfie. Because I went on a bike ride and I went super far, like 5 miles, 6 miles, 7 miles. I don't know, but it was so much fun to be on my bike. I hadn't been on my bike in a while because I've been home with my kids. Stamping, this time I'm stamping several times, and then I also added some more of the 29 prompts in the little square corner up at the top, and then just writing a little note about what the photo is about and how I'm proud of myself. Okay, moving on to the next one. This one is another outdoor one. During that same week, my husband was able to get a later shift, so we could go on a bike ride, which we hadn't done in months because of staying home and just not, having babysitters or anything like that. And I left in my daughter because she was just hilarious. She kept playing with my stamps while I was making this, and there she goes. She crash landed on my board. Oh boy, the joys of making stuff while the kids are home all the time. So I had to include that. I thought it was hilarious. So I am just adding in a bunch of those stickers from the Go Outside sticker sheet. I don't remember the exact name, but I'll leave the information in the description box. I used several of those on this page, layered on some washi, and now I'm gonna layer in some trees. I think I did brown and green. That way it could be 2 different layers of trees. Also gonna add in a sticker that talked about how great the outdoor is. I think that's what the sticker prompt was. Gonna add in the date and then some journaling at the bottom. I covered up the explored this place, and so that way I could use the compass, just the compass, and that way I could start my journaling right there. Also had to use a different pen to be able to write on that sticker and draw in what I wanted to say. So just adding in about a bike ride and how awesome it was to go on a bike ride together. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these pages come to life. It was definitely fun to make these ones, especially, you know, the collage of my husband and different washi tape, and just so special. And like I said, I got to reprint this collage. And then this was the start of my week to myself, so I had lots of time outside. This is the last one that you saw come to life, and I was able to make it a double page spread since I knew I was going to have a few extra in the back. So I hope you enjoyed my daughter's funny little cameo and enjoyed seeing these pages come to life. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch. Have a great day. Bye!